we're driving the Avenue of the Giants right now, guys, and it is so amazing. I'm speechless right now. This is unreal. So amazing. You can see some big trees. Oh boy. I gotta say, we got pretty lucky at this camp spot. So far, winging it is working. Gonna save the rest of the Avenue Giants for tomorrow. Get a nice fresh start to it, not rush through them. It was $35 camp here, not bad. Kind of tucked away in the corner here. Length limit is 24 feet, so I gotta love it. Right on the money with the bike carrier. Look at this spot. It's not bad for a Thursday night. It's so nice. Finally get to camp in the Redwoods. This has been a long time coming. I'm really excited. Once we got here, everything just kind of slowed down, and I just stopped feeling like I'm in an anxious rush. Ever since leaving San Francisco, it's kind of felt like that. So nice change of pace. Beautiful smell of cedar, and Redwoods are really doing something for me. So I'm gonna enjoy the night. Panda, what do you think, bud? Hell yeah, back to the ocean. This is awesome. So we're making our way north. Went through the Humboldt Redwoods yesterday. That was just mind-blowing. It's gorgeous. I wanted to do that a long time. Spent the night at a Denny's parking lot. Not the most luxurious. Nothing to write home about, but it was pretty nice, quiet. Free spot, got us on the road early. No major stops in the works, just gonna see what we find along the ways. Probably be the last day we'll be spending by the coast. And we're gonna start heading inland, going towards Montana. Not sure if we're gonna do Eugene or Bend. Having an issue with the RV right now, so it's kind of put us on more of a tight schedule. Long story short, I kind of broke the toilet trying to fix it.
Okay, Jack, what project are we working on today?
We're fixing the toilet gasket finally.
Why are we fixing the toilet gasket finally?
Because it started stinking when we drove. That was gross.
Yep.
That's RV life. Ow.
How you doing down there?
Ow. Good. I replaced the toilet gasket. In the process, I broke something else, which actually made it all worse. So That's RV life. I figured I would share it because it's not all sunshine and picnics out here. Had to seal it up with great stuff foam, and we're doing the van life thing with a bucket. That's that. I actually bought a new toilet on Amazon, got it sent to my buddy's house in Montana, just outside Missoula. Should be there Wednesday. We should be getting there Wednesday too and get this all sorted out. Until then, we're just gonna have fun on the road and keep enjoying it. Good boy. Oh, and huge shout out, my friends Matt and Julie just hit me up today. They bought a house on some property outside Seattle, kind of. So huge shout out to Matt and Julie. Congratulations on your new home, and I'm looking forward to squatting on your property.